Hello.
Hi, this is Anthony and Theo.
Again.
We're
having a lot of fun here because it's the first time we're actually showing our faces.
We had an amazing time travelling from Galway to Taba, and we stayed at the Burren Inn.
We stopped for coffee in Limerick, watched the cliffs of Moher in awe, took the Burren scenic drive and took photos of the Blackhead lighthouse.
In Galway, we watched the trade on Prom. Then we went to the Galway bird sanctuary, saw birds flying, birds of prey and an owl, and at the same place they have a tour through some caves, which we also did. Hope you enjoy. Bye.
Bye. We started off in Limerick with a coffee break at the Protea Cafe. This spot was recommended by friends of a family member, and it was so worth it. Great coffee, and the owner, super friendly, just the kind of welcome you hope for. We then had breakfast in the garden at Shannon House, also in Limerick. Fresh, simple and absolutely delicious. Our stay at the Burren Inn was cozy and full of surprise. There's a bar with loud music. Breakfast was top notch. I'm still actually dreaming about those post toasties. And they serve some serious good pizza too. Now, the Burren itself is unlike anywhere else. Over 70% of Ireland's native flowers grow here, and it's the only place in the world where Arctic, Alpine and Mediterranean plants all grow side by side. Of course, we couldn't miss the cliffs of Moher. Even the bathroom and shops are built underground to keep the view untouched. These cliffs are over 350 million years old and stretch for 14 kilometers along the Atlantic. You might recognize them from movies like Harry Potter, The Princess Bride and Leap Year. At peak season, over 30,000 pairs of birds nest along these cliffs. Wild, right? One of the biggest highlights, that was trade on Prom in Galway City. I've always wanted to see the show and it was everything I hoped for. Irish music, world champion dancers and just this amazing energy. Chris Kelly, the show creator, even came to greet us. That made the night extra special.
Then follow me round Ireland on the wild Atlantic way.
It was after 10 p.m. when we left the show and the sun was still shining. Next up, Alby Cave. The cave tour was about 45 minutes. The cave tour was about 45 minutes, and then we visited the Birds of Prey Center. I actually had tears in my eyes when a Harris hawk landed on my arm. Yes, I know it's just for food, but still, what a moment. And we finished it off with some fudge and cheese from the farm shop. We ended the day with a visit to Kilmacduagh Monastery in Gort. The oldest grave dates back to 632 AD, and the graveyard is still in use today. What a journey full of beauty, history, music, and a few unforgettable surprises. Ireland really knows how to steal your heart. Please remember to click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you.